Alright, hi. My name is Kelsey Bradshaw. This is my third year here at Appalachian State. I'm currently taking summer classes here too. Um, I'm originally from Virginia, but I currently switch back and forth between Winston-Salem with my grandparents and Statesville with my mom and stepdad. Um, when I'm not here at App State. I'm a double major in psychology and public health, and also I'm minoring in child development. Um, Future plans, I would like to go to grad school after this, preferably College of Charleston, because they have a really great child life specialist program. And not a lot of people know what that is. Child life specialist works in normally a hospital setting. And what they do is, for example, if there's a child who has cancer and they're going into surgery, I would explain to them in a kid version way what would happen, what the process would be like, and kind of be like a therapist to them and do therapeutic stuff with them, like art and that kind of thing. I'd also kind of be a counselor for their family as well. But if that doesn't turn out to be in my future, my second option would be a child therapist. Anything with children. I love children. What I want to learn from this class is what are the best food options for kids, because I babysit a ton. I love kids. I also want kids in the future. So I think this would be a really helpful class to learn what would be the best. So, one interesting fact is I am the first in my family to go to a four-year college. So I'm hoping to set a good example for my cousins who are in high school right now. So hopefully they'll follow my footsteps and go to college too. But yeah, I look forward to this class and look forward to getting to know you all as well. Thanks.